Alright, here we have the AIRSOFT paintball AT4, made to fire with CO2. We'll go through and show you some of the different features on it. Coming up at the top here, Bailey has his hand on the barrel, and as we go down from the barrel we have the different sights on it. We have the front sight that is right here, and then we have the rear sight, which is right here. As we turn it around, we can see the firing mechanism that is right here on it. Simply going to pull the first safety on it, which is right here. We'll just pull it down, and as that's pulled down, we'll push on the red button. And we won't do it now because it's loaded. And that will slide the firing mechanism, which is right here, all the way back down to the trigger. So that is our AT4. The original firing mechanism fires our AIRSOFT AT4. Alright, we'll get ready to launch it. Alright, we'll go ahead and we'll have Bailey fire the AT4 here. We have cones set up at 100, 200, 300, and 400 feet. Alright, Bailey, whenever you're ready. And the football landed out there about 250 feet with the shorter barrel. Now we have the long barrel on, and we'll have him shoot it. I am back standing about 450 feet away. We'll go ahead and have him fire it and see how far he can get with it. Alright. Football just landed right over here, a little over 450 feet away. Alright, now we'll demonstrate a BB shot. We'll look inside at the opening. We have the BB tube packed with 300 BBs inside of it, and then wadding to keep them in. And then we have our cardboard target. We'll see if Bailey can hit. That's about 75 feet away. Has a range of, over 100 feet with BBs with a good scatter effect. Alright, Bailey, whenever you're ready. The CO2 bottle can be left in for multiple firings. The on-off valve right here is what you're going to do to control it so it doesn't leak air out in between firing. Now that it's been shot, all I need to do is reload it. That's it. Refilled. We'll drop our football. We also have a BB tube in case we're going to drop BBs down it. But we'll just drop that down the tube and fire again. We'll shoot the long barrel and see if Bailey and his friend can catch it. Again, that's about 450 feet out there.